project's engineering needs were to mitigate erosion and stabilize a stream bank along a small tributary of Browns Creek in Maryville, Tennessee.
Using GIS data, we delineated the watershed and developed a hydrologic model.
The team collected on-site data and calculated the bank full flow.
We surveyed the existing stream bank and designed improved cross-sections and a plan to revegetate the riparian area.
We designed a step pool system to improve the function of the stream and a rock apron to transfer runoff from the parking lot to the stream.
So for the construction and management services rendered, I provided a project schedule and a cost estimate.
A positive outcome for our client is that our project provides most of the information necessary to pursue a general aquatic resources alteration permit.
One challenging aspect of the project was that the more you learn and the more you progress through the project, the more you want to rework and reevaluate what you've already done.
So one challenging aspect of this course was attempting to solve a problem, but then realizing that in order to solve a problem, you have to solve smaller problems that you didn't necessarily know how to solve in order to solve the initial problem.
Another challenging aspect is that we're working in a fairly new field, so there are a limited number of design standards from which we can base our design.
For example, when I was designing the step pool system, I had to design it based on a regenerative stormwater conveyance system.
One positive outcome for me personally in the project was to develop a set of cohesive work with other engineers while allowing everyone to show their individual efforts.
Through this project, I learned how to find the givens and to work a project from start to finish.
So one positive personal outcome I experienced throughout this course is I was able to better develop my critical thinking and quantitative skills.
Senior design really gives you a head start in the experience necessary as a entry-level civil engineer.
Senior design gives faculty the opportunity to introduce their academic designs into the practice.
Advice I have for future students is to consistently do work weekly, because if you don't, the work will pile up and you'll be overwhelmed, which you don't necessarily want, so just do work consistently every week.
The more you put into senior design, the more benefit you get out.